Check out my Society 6 shop at society6.com/keepitcrafty, or for these specific items, you can find links in the description below. Here are 3 ideas for revamping a Dollar Tree vase. Idea 1 is to give your vase some texture using furniture bumpers. Furniture bumpers are usually used for things like preventing cupboard doors from hitting walls. They're rounded on one side and flat and sticky on the other side. Of course, you can put these on however you want, but if you decide to do any straight lines, I suggest starting with a bumper on the top and bottom first. Then add one in the center. After that, fill in the spaces in between. Luckily, these bumpers are really forgiving. As you can see, I had to push that one a little to get it in the right place. I also haven't had any problems with them losing their stickiness, even if I take them off and put them back on several times. My plan is to continue these dotted lines all the way around the vase and to space them out about 3/4 of an inch. This is what it looks like after all the dots are on. Now I'm turning it upside down and spray painting it with a copper chrome color. Once it dries, I'll finish it off with a clear acrylic sealer. For some reason, this kind of reminds me of a medieval goblet. Idea number 2 is to create an ombre look using 3 different colored spray paints. The colors I used are Lychee, Salmon, and Aqua turquoise. I got a little carried away with the Aqua turquoise, so I had to go back over the Salmon once more. And don't forget to finish it off with a clear sealer. Idea number 3 is to sponge on some metallic paint to create a frosted look. It's kind of hard to tell when it's wet, but the color of this paint is a champagne gold. Once you've covered the outside of the vase, let it dry and then apply a second coat. Once it dries, finish it off with that clear sealer.